Hello everyone, it's 26th December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page, we have GDP growth likely to moderate with inflation nearing 4%. RBI panel member says, again, very important for economy perspective. Then we have AQI improves further, but relief may not last. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have AI wasn't there during Marx Lenin time. We will have to face the challenges. 100 years of CPI, again, very important. Going forward, we have the editorial page where we have revised definition of Aravallis will hurt its ecology. Again, very important for environment and ecology perspective. Then we have as deadline looms, Bihar's Dashazari scheme sees 23 lakh applicants in the month. Again, very important for policy perspective. Then we have an Indian Ocean region, 100 villages to be tsunami ready. Again, very important for disaster management perspective. Then we have first flight lands in Navi Mumbai airport as commercial ops begin. Again, very important. Then we have 100 years of CPI, the many roots of the communist movement in India. Again, very important for history as well as polity perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have another Hindu man has been lynched in Bangladesh over alleged extortion. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have exposed for weeks to rains, wind, cold. Pope remembers Gaza in the first Christmas speech. Lastly, we have Saudi Arabia calls on Yemen separatists to leave two areas. Both these news are very important for international relations perspective. Lastly, we have the economy page where we have India may get 4 new regional airlines, but challenges that sank many persist. Again, very important. Then we have native language AI gains ground in startup hirings. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Lastly, we have Japan to test mined rare earth mud from deep sea seabed. Again, very important. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.